Happy New Month, everybody. Number seven, declutter your life. Excessive clutter can often make your life feel chaotic and cause a lot of stress, thus affecting your general outlook on life. It can also affect every aspect of your life by weighing you down, and it also has a way of slowing you from accomplishing your goals. From outdated apps, damaged furniture, or even social commitments. Anything you have not really used in the last 18 months should be cleared. It's not a good idea to let tangible items take up emotional space in your life. So, allow it all to go. Number eight, embrace your personal values. Everyone has unique attributes and perspectives about life. Personal values that you hold dear to your heart are a great part of what you believe in. Thus, they are fundamental in understanding yourself, who you are, and things you care about. Knowing what beliefs and values are important in your life exudes happiness because it motivates you to be part of something bigger. And number nine, celebrate every win. As human beings, we care a lot about winning. Oh, yes, we all love to win. Nobody likes to fail. We condemn failure and poor performances and are too hard on ourselves. This has a negative impact on your mindset as it brings you down, dampening your winning spirit. So, what do? Train your mind to appreciate every step of a task rather than the overall goal. Adopting this mindset will help you appreciate both the process and results. So take time to celebrate the small wins in your life. And the final one for today, and the final for today's series is assist others in their search for joy. Research shows that altruism is hardwired into the brain. This explains why helping others can make you feel good. Often I've heard the saying, it's better to give than to receive. So helping others may be the secret to your own personal happiness. So choose to help someone find happiness today. Thanks for staying throughout this series. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you've learned something from it. So see ya in my next video.